Dua and Taha, linking learning with fun.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shahi. Today, I would like to share my daily morning routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so that beginners and A2 learners can understand easily. Are you ready to listen? Let us begin. I normally wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes and sit up in bed. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. It helps me feel relaxed and ready for the day. After getting up, I walk to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth carefully. Then I wash my face with cool water. The cold water makes me feel fresh and awake. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I like simple food in the morning. Most days, I eat toast and eggs, but sometimes I also have a banana or an apple. I also make a warm cup of tea. Drinking tea in the morning makes me feel comfortable and energetic. When I finish eating, I get ready to leave the house. I open my cupboard and choose my clothes for the day. Usually, I wear jeans and a comfortable shirt. If the weather is cold, I put on a sweater or a light jacket. Then I brush my hair and look in the mirror. I check my bag to make sure everything is inside. I take my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Sometimes I also carry a notebook. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside. I walk toward the bus stop. The streets are full of people going to school or work. The air feels cool and the morning looks bright and busy. This is how my morning usually begins. It is a simple routine, but it helps me start the day in a good mood. What about you? What do you usually do in the morning? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning stories.